Here we are at our £3.5 million project, and it's a grade 2 listed house, as you probably know. If not, check out the videos before. We're coming to the end of this now, so every time I come here it brings a smile to my face because there's some really nice touches that get added, and I can see the finish line. So just looking from ground, first, second and third, all the way up. The scaffolding is still on. You'll see some boards on those windows, so I'm going to show you inside where those windows are being restored, and then the outside is going to be painted in a very nice green and neutral colour on this white section here, and then all of these tiles get changed and we'll have some new slabs. Entrance to the ground floor. This is the front door. Loving this window. This room faces the road on the ground floor. And what the guys are doing here is, those skirtings are the original skirtings which date back over 100 years. And then with these carpenters, they're basically matching that skirting, and then they'll be filling it in and restoring it to make it look like it was never missing. Very, very skilled job here, labour intensive, and it takes. Same applies on this side of the room, and then if you look at the skirting down here, you'll see some pieces, and that's all being matched up as well. But yeah, very skilled. Coming through into this section here, we're still waiting for the glass, but based on it being a nice day, our man over here is restoring the windows, which once again is quite painstakingly done, labour intensive, very artisan and handcrafted. That's one being cleaned there, and then you'll see these have been repainted, and then they'll get scraped clean as well to make them look like this. Behind them, so the skirting, which we were just looking at, this guy's cutting up the measure. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, and off it goes. This bathroom, I can see this black section here, so I'm immediately worried enough to look at it. And it's the new towel radiator. However, it's too close to the toilet seat, which means that this pipe work needs to be reduced to make it fit a bit more flush to the wall. However, the fittings on this won't allow that. So it looks like that we're going to need another radiator there. I don't even think we need one that's as big. And that's a problem. Nothing major, that will get resolved. Nothing's changed much in the basement area. However, we've got some new architrave on this door here. I've just bought some handles. There's the handle there. And then what I really like is when we go into this courtyard, which was all hand dug, it's all been rendered now. So that's that cream colour on the walls. And then we're going to have some slabs here on the floor. And then we'll have some cedar wood all the way around here. And then that gets taken down and a new office will be done. First floor lounge. Loving the colours. And as a special surprise, I'm pleased to see that this glass is now in. That's a fluted glass, so you can see the effect on that. Looks stunning. And the new Neff appliances are in as well, so I'm looking like I'm absolutely grinning from side to side. That looks really, really, really nice. Loving it. Also within this room, that's a bespoke door, and the key thing is we've got a new video entry phone as well for security. First floor bathroom, all the tiles are now, the protection has been lifted, so you can see the full effect of the tiles here. And then I'll turn that light on there. So this is all starting to come together. Love that colour. In this bedroom, I love these lights as well. Imagine the bed there, and there's your reading lights. Coming in from the roof terrace, this is the entrance to the maisonette, which is a 2-bedroom. And I can see in the lounge the windows, which are being worked on downstairs, are going to be installed here. And then we've got a different bespoke kitchen here. The hob's in, the oven and the microwave is in, and we've also got the kitchen, fridge freezer in there as well, so yep, that's looking lovely. And then all of the entry phone and everything is installed. Finishing touches, we're going to have some shelves there and some shelves there. Absolutely loving this. What a bathroom. And look at the finish on this floor. Look at that joint. Quality at its best. Stunning. Loving this radiator. With the backdrop of the wall. Top floor bathroom. Still waiting for the sink. However, these taps look stunning against those tiles. And then this fitted wardrobe. Oh my God. Amazing. So that gives you an idea of where we are at the moment, and property development has its ups and downs, and we're at a stage now where every time we come here it brings a smile to our face. And fortunately, based on my experience over 25 years, we haven't had too many downs, and that's based on track record and making all the mistakes in the early years. So I'm just sharing that knowledge with you guys so that you can avoid the pitfalls of property development, construction, and try and learn as part of your property investment journey. With that said, I hope you found it informative as usual, and do share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Monty Nawaz, out.